Hi guys, welcome back to day number 5, week 2 of our lockdown workout from Barbell Brigade. And in today's workout, it will be a full body push anterior. So we will be doing a split squat, 3 sets of 15 reps on each side, a side lunge, 3 sets of 12 reps on each side, and the last move will be Sphinx push-ups on your knees, 3 sets of 12 reps. So the difference from this week and last week's day 5, they changed the reverse lunge to a split squat instead and lowered the reps. They also added a side lunge and they took out the B-ups from last week. They kept the Sphinx push-ups, but they upped the reps and they switched it to the last move. So, disclaimer, I am not a personal trainer, I am not a professional in fitness or anything. I'm solely doing this for entertainment purposes only, and I will be modifying some of the moves due to my torn ACL. Let's go ahead and get started with this workout. Okay guys, that is it for day number 5, week 2 of our lockdown workout from Barbell Brigade. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you on week number 3. Bye!